guys, happy Wednesday. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I am getting ready to start working. Actually, I've been working this morning. I just didn't show it. I did edit and upload the vlog from yesterday. I got that done. You guys saw me package that one order that I had, so I took that out to the mailbox. And now I'm getting on with like other stuff that needs to be done today. So I think I'm gonna sit down and try to design again. I can't say to design because it just kind of like mumbles together. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to try to do that today and hopefully that will go well today because I really need to get stuff done. And I don't know. I felt like yesterday just nothing was working for me. I could not figure out what I wanted to work on and all of that. But today we're getting it done. I'm kind of grateful that yesterday I had that moment because I was able to like talk about it in the vlog and just, you know, share something that I feel like a lot of shop owners don't share, like when they struggle with coming up with ideas, you know? And I know like everybody does, but I feel like people don't really talk about it. So I wanted to share that and share some of the struggles of running a sticker shop, because obviously if you're not putting out new designs, you're not gonna get as many orders. I mean, you might, but like, you know, you wanna keep things fresh and new in your shop. And so it's hard whenever you can't get anything designed. So anyway, all that said, I am getting to work. I have my hot cup of tea. I went with hot tea today instead of iced coffee just because I think I'm running low on ice and I forgot to make more last night. So, but also I love a good cup of tea. So that's, you know, gotta have my tea. So anyway, I'm gonna drink my cup of tea and I'm going to start working and take you guys along with me. Okay, so I know this looks weird, but follow me. My functional kits, they don't have date covers. So I thought, why not just go back and add some? And I'm gonna like update the listings for those to just be all one listing, but it's like drop down so you don't have to like search through Etsy to find the matching sheets. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get it all updated. But yeah, this is what I'm working on. This is what I'm designing. It's not necessarily like a huge thing, but at least it's something. So I'm also gonna add like a couple more pieces to this collection, just like individual sheets like this where you can just kind of pick and choose. I really feel like functional is just where my shop is going. I'm still gonna offer like the bigger kits and I'm gonna bring some of them that I had last year back, but I think my main focus is definitely going to be these functional kits because I just really love them, but I also am super functional now, so it just kind of aligns with where I'm at and my planning journey. So yeah, but ignore the colors. I haven't updated the colors or anything. I was just putting together the kit or the sheet, and I figured I would do the date covers, date dots, and then have like just little extras to fill up the space. So yeah, ignore the colors, ignore all this. I'm gonna like put my logo and my, you know, all of that on here, but I was just trying to get an idea of what I wanted it to look like. So I'm very excited that I am somewhat creating stuff again. So hopefully we can keep it up. Okay guys, it is lunchtime and I wanted to show you guys my lunch real quick. I don't know if you guys care about this at all, but I've been doing the Whole30 and so I wanted to share this Whole30 salad, which is delicious. It is buffalo chicken. It's like a chicken breast, and then you put it in the Instant Pot with buffalo, or hot sauce actually, and then the Instant Pot does its thing. And then you have the chicken, you shred it up, and I have cauliflower rice, lettuce, cherry, grape tomatoes, whatever you want to call them, and then cucumbers, and then a ranch dressing that is from Primal Kitchen, which is Whole30 approved, and this is delicious. I also have my bubbly water there as like my little treat. Guys, I'm done with my lunch and now it's time to get back to it. I was thinking about this while I was sitting there eating my lunch, how I almost want to like rebrand my shop, not like a full-on rebrand. Like I want to keep my logo, I want to keep my name, but I want to just like completely change up the photos, like the listing photos. I don't exactly know what I want to do with them, but I've been thinking about it for weeks, that I just want a different look to my site and to my Etsy shop. And There's also like a ton of things in my shop that just don't really sell. Like randomly they might sell, but like they're just sitting there, and I just kind of want to go through and like completely clean up my shop, almost like a spring cleaning of my sticker shop. So I kind of think that that is what I want to do right now, just because like I did design another sheet for my functional kits, but other than that I'm still kind of like meh with designing. And since I don't have to release anything this week, I can just chill a little bit on that. So I think I'm just gonna go through. Let me show you guys how I have my stock organized. It's not organized, by the way, so spoiler alert, it's not actually organized. But let me show you guys what I have going on here. So I have some stuff here. I have these, which are like bending because of the way they're laying. And then I have like a bunch of these smaller sheets. And these are the things that kind of sell like randomly. They're not like huge sellers in my shop. My best sellers have always been my kits. So I'm thinking that I'm just gonna like discontinue these and put them up for 50% off, because not saying I won't bring them back, but maybe bring them back in a larger sheet, more like, you know, this size sheet. I don't know. So just kind of like thinking about it. And we have more over here, and I want to get some bins for my sticker sheets. You guys see I've already got the dividers, so I just really want to clean it up. And you know, I've talked about wanting to be ready to ship, and I think now is the perfect time to sit down and do that, and you know, get rid of, like, I don't want to have a ton of stock that's not moving on hand. And like some of these sticker sheets I've had for a while now, and I'm just like, they're not selling, so it's time to purge all the stuff in my shop that's not selling. And you know, I also still have a few of these kits that are like $5 kits. I'm hoping to finish, like I'm hoping to get rid of them, because there's nothing wrong with them. They just didn't sell, and I've changed up my format, and I just want to get these off my hands. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think that's what I'm gonna do for right now, because I can do that and then start that process and hopefully get some orders and get like some stock moving, and then kind of declutter my life, because I feel like my brain's kind of cluttered and my space is kind of cluttered, and we just need to spring clean. We need to spring clean our business. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna go through, count stock, put it on the website, and then put it in the last chance section for 50% off. So yeah, if you're watching this video, I'll let you guys know when it's up, because I don't want to say it's up now when you're watching this video, but I will let you guys know if it's up by the end of this video, and you guys can check it out. But I'm gonna do that, because I just feel like that's a better use of my time, that's still being productive but not designing, because I just feel like I'm not quite, you know, not quite there with designing. I just need to get my life organized, I feel like. And if I can get that organized and spring clean and get everything together, then I feel like I will get back in my groove, you know? So that's what we're gonna do. So I got everything in the last chance section that I wanted to for today. I think there are some things I want to just completely discontinue, some things I want to reformat, and so yeah, that's where I'm at. But I got all of that done, and it's 25% off, and it's an automatic discount. So if you go to the website and go to last chance section, everything's just automatically discounted to that price once you check out. So the price it'll show on the website will be like the original price, but then when you go to checkout, it'll automatically apply that 25% off. I'm trying to like figure out what I want to do for kits. Like I know, like, I don't know. I'm so all over the place with my shop right now. I think it's just a big year of change for my shop, which is good and it's exciting, but I'm also like struggling to figure out what exactly that means for my shops. But I definitely want to keep my regular kits, and I want to keep like functional items and monthly kits, but I'm thinking that these like smaller single sheets, maybe not go, because like we do have these dividers, but just like a lot of them phasing them out, and a lot of like single sheets phasing out. But I don't know, do you guys like single sheets, or do you only like shop kits? Because I feel like I like whenever a kit has like everything I want in it, but that's like really hard to find because everyone's so different. So like I might need a sticker that someone else might not need, you know, if that makes sense. So I like to have the single sheet options, but I feel like the single sheets just don't sell in my shop. But also like I find myself not using them. Like if I do plan with a kit, which I've talked about how I'm not I'm more of like using the functional stickers these days and not the kits. I think just because I'm in different planners now, so it, you know, my planning style has just changed. But when I was using a kit, I was finding that I would only use like a kit, but I wouldn't really use like single stickers. I would just try to use everything from a kit because I like everything to have the same color, the same look, the same feel. So I feel like I wasn't using single sheets and they don't really sell in my shop. Now I don't know if that's because people just don't like single sheets or if it's just like that's not popular in my shop. So I don't know what the deal is with all that, but I at least have designed a little bit today, and I've kind of figured out, okay, I need to discontinue some stuff. I need to delete stuff and clean up my website and clean up my Etsy shop and just kind of spring clean. I think making that decision has made me feel better about everything, because like now I can go through and I can clean out stuff, and I need to clean my office. I actually want to do an office clean with me, and I'm thinking about filming it tomorrow to go up sometime next week, but I think just spring cleaning my life will help a lot. So I'm really excited about that. I've got to like sit down and figure out what exactly that means. Definitely changing things up this year, which is exciting. So big changes are coming to the shop, and I am adding things in my shop that are not sticker related. I would show you, but I haven't placed the order yet. I actually should do that today. I should place the order for that today, so that way I can get them and show you guys, because we're adding things that I think you guys will really like, and it's not stickers, but it's still related to planning. Drop your guesses down below. I'd love to hear them, but I'm really, really excited about that because I found like a vendor and I found where to get that stuff. So I'm hoping it's good quality. Like I said, I'm gonna place the order, and depending on how it goes, like add more things to my shop. And I'm really excited about that piece of it. As much as I love stickers, I definitely have this vision for my business that is beyond stickers, and so I'm really, really excited to finally get that going. I'm going to print out a March monthly kit and cut it and put it in my planner because I have not done that, and I want to map out all of my YouTube videos for both channels and get that like where I can see it, get it out of my head and like where I can see it on paper in my planner. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go print that and get that done, and I'll show you guys when I'm planning. So it'll be like a little mini plan with me, I guess. Okay, I got the March kit down. So I'm using these labels as my labels for my cleaning channel and like the videos that are going up on the cleaning channel. And then I'm using the bigger labels for videos that are going up on this channel, which are mainly just the behind the scenes vlogs, but I just kind of like, I like to see it on paper, you know what I mean? So, yeah, so basically tomorrow's vlog. So this vlog that you're watching right now is gonna go up on Thursday. Then you would normally have a video up on Friday, but because James is off Friday and I'm taking that day off, then we're gonna move that video over here, and then this week we'll have 5 videos, and the following week we'll have 4, because again, he'll have this Friday off, and you guys kind of like get the picture. So it'll be 4 videos one week, 5 the next, 4 the 5, you know. So anyway, I feel like that kind of helps a little bit too. That way I'm not doing a video every single day, so it's a little bit more manageable, and I'm only doing videos on my work days. So yeah, I haven't finished putting all the labels on. I just kind of wanted to get it going. So yeah, getting it done, getting my life together. I feel a lot better just having it on paper, and like I said, clearing my head. I think that's like one of my biggest problems, is I'm just in my head too much. Okay guys, we are headed to church to film, and hopefully we won't be gone too long, and then I can come home and just chill for the rest of the night because I'm tired. Okay guys, we are back home now from recording tonight. It is 8:22, and I think that I'm just gonna end the vlog here because we're just gonna do a little cleanup, and then James has to do his video for tomorrow since we will be on the road. And he has to work all day, so he won't have time to do it. He's gonna do that, and yeah, so that's basically it. I'm gonna try to start editing this vlog so that way I don't have to work on it so much tomorrow, so I can like actually do the other things I need to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another new vlog. Bye guys.